Blair Witch shit going on here. Oh. You're giving away my position. Hey, Wonderfuls. I have got a stir crazy dog here because maybe it's cold outside and we're not going out there to play. So we're gonna make do playing inside and have a little game of hide and seek. We have been playing with the lights off, which makes it trickier for him, but also I found that running around in the dark is not the safest activity for myself. So I'm just gonna set up a few obstacles around here and cover some things with some sheets so that I can hide under them and make it a little more difficult for him and a little safer for me. Blair Witch shit going on here. Oh. Okay, remember the rule? I get my dog to wait at the top of the stairs, then I run down and frantically try and find a spot to hide. Hopefully he waits for the whistle. Good boy. Okay, no, oh, wait there. No, you gotta wait till I whistle. And then he comes to find me. Do you wanna play now? Thanks so much for watching. Be good, stay safe, and play safe.